Hey guys, you may not can hear me that well, but just letting you know, I'm gonna try to do a howl myself because I've seen a few people doing it a lot, and it's a perfect night to do it because the moon is out, and I'm gonna try to. I'm not doing how to howl, but I'm gonna try to do it on my own. One second, I'll just put my phone down, and I'm gonna try to do my own little howl myself. I'm not doing how to howl thing or anything like that. Okay, this is actually the first time. I'm going to show you how I do my howl and then how actual wolf do it. I just hope I'll get some responses from either dogs or wolves. I don't care. I usually do a quiet howl, then I'm going to try to do a louder howl than I can do. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how the actual howl, but And here's my second one I'm gonna do. Okay. I hope this is good enough to hear. I don't know. I'm gonna check this how it actually sounds after I stop recording. Okay. Here's the second one. So far I'm not getting responding, so I'm just gonna do my little quiet howl I usually do most of the time. That's usually some of my howls I usually do when I'm alone in my house most of the time. Well, see you guys soon or later. I don't know. Blaze 90 out. Darn it.